Today we are going to learn about aves or birds. It is said that birds have evolved from reptiles. One bird known as Archaeopteryx, which is found, which is a fossil which contains both the characteristics of both, that is reptiles and birds. Let us see what are the characteristics of birds or aves. They are warm-blooded animal. It means that their body temperature does not change with the environment. Heart is four-chambered and very efficient, so that they can there is no mixing of blood and they can get maximum oxygen. They lay eggs or they are oviparous, and their body is covered with feathers. You can see some of the birds. This is kite, pavo, or the peacock. This is quail, and this is owl, which is known as buvo. Then this is crow, which is known as corvus, and passer, which is the house sparrow. Citicula, that is a parrot, and these are some of the birds which I have shown you. Now, the body of, you can see their body is covered with feathers. These are all feathers. The forelimbs are converted into wings for flight, and respiration is through lungs. And hind limbs, you can see there are hind limbs. Some of them, these are the hind limbs which are used for walking on the land. Beak of birds are different. Different birds are different and modified according to the food they eat. You can see passer or the house sparrow, because it eats the grains. Its beak is small. This one is the kite. Its beak is curved and very sharp to tear the flesh of other organisms. So beak is also modified. And flight, there is flight, they can fly. Some of the birds cannot fly, but most of the birds can fly. The birds which cannot fly are emu, kiwi, and ostrich. They cannot fly, and these are called as flightless birds. Bones are very special because they have to fly in the air. Their bones have become light, spongy, and air cavities are present inside the bones. Body is streamlined. You can see when they fly, the body becomes boat-like, that is in front, or the last part of the body is having a conical, is very narrow, and the middle part is broad, so that they can fly easily in the air and resist the air resistance. Then their hearing and vision both are very strong, because they have to fly very high. So from very great heights, they can see their prey. So their eyes are very sharp, very good vision is there. So these are some of the characteristics, and they excrete very solid type, semi-solid type of urine, because and they are uricotelic. That is, their urine contains uric acid.